Hi, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a blog on Weebly, and the first thing you're going to do is sign up or log in. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Once you're logged in, to add a new site, you hit this down arrow, and then you're just going to hit add site right there. And then the first thing it's going to ask you is if you want to sell online or not. For me personally, I'm just making a blog, so I don't want to sell online, so I'm going to hit not now. And then next it's going to give you different themes, and you can pick which one you want. Again, I'm doing a blog, so that's what I'm going to go to. And it's going to give you these different templates that you can pick. So I'm going to find one that I like, which is this one, and then you can click that one. And once you have your template picked out, you're going to go up to this corner, and you're going to hit start editing. And it's going to start to create your site. Once it's up, it's going to ask you to select a domain name. You can either do that now or later, and I'm going to do it later, so I'm just going to hit the X right now. And now that this is all, like you have your template pulled up, once you want to create a post, you're going to go down to the right corner and you hit new post, and then it's going to pull this up. And then you can post your title. Your title side's already there, and if you want to add text, you could just drag that in there and start typing. Like I'll just type Bora Bora, let's say. And then I'm also going to show you how to put a map in. So if I wanted to slide this in there, right now it's just going to give me a random place. So to change that, you just click on the map, delete that, and then I'm just going to type in the place that I would like to see. Hit enter, and then the map should change. I'm going to pull it out right now. And then you can just adjust how zoomed in you want it to be. And yeah, so those are just some basic ways. And then at the end, your website could look something like this. So it's just however you want to edit it. And yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching.